Okay, here is part 3 of this series. Right now we are in the previous video we have covered the base formula, where the base formula, the price, elasticity of demand is the percentage change in the current demand over the percentage change in price. Right now we are covering the arc price elasticity of demand. It is very commonly being examined in the DSC curriculum, and this is also called a midpoint approach. Why is it called a midpoint approach? So I hope that through the elaboration you can understand how this formula and structure it can better help you to memorize this formula and you can be more confident. Let's start. So first we know that the purple part, the percentage change in quantity demand, it is in the numerator. So let's break it down. So normally when you're doing it in math, you know that what is the percentage change? So when you do it in math, normally you know that it is the new number minus the old number divided by the old number times 100%, right? But this is not the method we are doing it here. We are doing it using something called a midpoint approach. So let's take a look. So for the percentage change in quantity demand, it is still the same. For the numerator, we will have the new quantity demand minus the original quantity demand. But for this part, we no longer use the old number, but we use a midpoint approach where we take the average of the quantity demand. So we add up the new quantity demand plus the original quantity demand, sum them up, divide by 2. So we are trying to do this not by the old number merely, but we are taking the average of it. We're taking the average of the new quantity demand and the old quantity demand, and then we times it times 100%. So this 100% is responding to the percentage change here, and then this is adjusting the midpoint concept of this midpoint approach. Alright, so let's go to the next part. How can we get the percentage change in price? For the percentage change in price, similar. So we use the new price minus the original price as the numerator of this red part. And then again, in the mathematics, usually we just use the original number, put it in the denominator for this part of this part. But here we are taking the midpoint approach, the average approach of the price. So what? Yes, we are summing the new price and the original price, and then we take the average divided by 2, and then we times 100%. So similarly, this is no longer the mathematical way, but we are using the average, the midpoint approach. We sum the new price and the old price and divide by 2 to get the average of the price. And here we times 100%. This is representing the percentage change concept of the base formula here. So